This
ठीक है भाई।
conference will now be recorded.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। संजीव ने कर ली? संजीव।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, आवाज आ रही है मेरी ना?
हाँ जी हाँ जी, अचल भाई आ रही है।
ठीक है।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग जी। ठीक है, we can start. Let me start the recording. Recording has been started. Let me note down. So firstly, what is the status of the assignment? Everyone please update.
सर सेकंड से समझ नहीं आ रहा सर, वो क्लियर कर
कोई ना,
दीजिएगा एक बार।
वो मैं ले लूंगा मैं डाउट। बाकी लोग अपडेट करो प्लीज एक बार ग्रुप में। What is the status of the assignment?
सर एक बार दिस कीवर्ड दोबारा से बता देना प्लीज।
कर लेंगे, वो कर लेंगे डिस्कस, बिल्कुल। बाकी लोग एक बार असाइनमेंट का स्टेटस अपडेट करो प्लीज। दीपशिका डन, हर्षित डन, महेंद्र भाई डन, अभिषेक डन, पवन डन, भारती डन, भावना डन। रेस्ट प्लीज अपडेट इन द ग्रुप प्लीज। मिनी, yes, we'll share by end of day, that's fine. रेस्ट प्लीज अपडेट। हाँ जी रविंद्र, आज कर लोगे भाई। कैलाश डन। रेस्ट ऑफ द गाइस प्लीज डन, प्लीज अपडेट। ठीक है, so let me take the doubt, let me take the doubts. Firstly, what is the use of this keyword? That was our first doubt. Just a moment, let me start. Let me open the Eclipse. Okay, let me open the Eclipse. So what is the use of this keyword? This keyword is used for calling from one constructor to another. एक कंस्ट्रक्टर से दूसरे को कॉल करना चाहते हो तो दिस कीवर्ड यूज करोगे, एंड दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट inside a constructor. We can't write more than one this statement inside a constructor, right? Let me discuss the things practically now, right? Just a moment. Right, I'm going to create a new project from scratch. New project. Which type of project we create? Java project. Project name you can give, for example, I'm giving ABC, right? So we have created a project. After that we will create a new package. Inside package what we will create? New class, class 1. Amit Khanna, what do you mean by constructor?
Sir, constructor is like a method,
हम्म
and constructor name and class name will be the same,
बहुत अच्छे
and it has no return type, and
will be
and we no need to call the constructor as it will be called by himself.
yeah no need to call, it will be called by itself as we create the object of the class, right? हाँ जी
Deepak, I think what is the purpose of
हाँ
constructor? I
हाँ
think
जी हाँ जी भाई
to initialize the I think variables or purpose of constructor.
यस लास्ट सेशन में डिस्कस करा था कंस्ट्रक्टर का क्या यूज है, व्हाई वी आर क्रिएटिंग द कंस्ट्रक्टर, लास्ट सेशन में डिस्कस करा था ये चीज। तो एक
Yes,
बार
sir.
आप कंस्ट्रक्टर और मेथड में यही डिफरेंस था। इन केस ऑफ मेथड वी हैव टू कॉल, बट इन केस ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्टर there is no need to call, it will be called by itself as we create the object of the class।
Okay.
ठीक है
सर
जी,
इट आल्सो हेल्प्स इन मेमोरी रिटेंशन में भी हेल्प करता है ये काफी।
यस एग्जैक्टली
मतलब कि
एग्जैक्टली
अगर आपको सेम चीज एक बार मेमोरी उसकी इनिशियलाइज होगी, कोई पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल अगर आपको मल्टीपल टाइम्स अलग अलग जगह पे कॉल करना है हमारे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मेथड्स में, तो हम उसके थ्रू कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो एक बार हमारा इनिशियलाइज हो गया। तो ये चीज प्रैक्टिकली ज्यादा समझ में आती है जब करते हैं इसको।
हाँ जी, तो चलो एक बार लेट मी क्रिएट ए कंस्ट्रक्टर। जस्ट टाइप द क्लास नेम class1 and use control plus space, try to use more and more control plus space, control plus space। which type of constructor is this?
Default constructor.
Default constructor। so here I'm going to create one more constructor, that is which type of constructor?
Single parameterized.
One parameterized constructor। I'm going to create one more constructor, that is
Two parameterized constructor.
two parameterized constructor। I'm going to create one more। म्यूट कर लो प्लीज, प्रतिभा म्यूट कर लेना। so here I have created how many constructor?
Three parameterized.
Three parameterized.
Three parameterized constructor। now main method, I have created the main method। Dipshika, what is the syntax of object creation? Dipshika, please, what is the syntax of object creation? Kunal?
Class name,
class name.
then a
Sir,
reference
are you able to
name.
hear me?
The reference variable
yes
is
Dipshika,
equal to new.
new,
Yeah, Deepshika, please go ahead.
then class name, right? Now which constructor will be called?
Default.
Default constructor। हाँ जी, अब आ रही है।
Okay, sir.
हाँ जी, which constructor will be called?
Default.
हाँ जी, which constructor will be called?
Default.
Default constructor will be called। now you can see the output, default constructor is calling, right? Now for example, if I'm passing one value, then which constructor will be called?
One parameterized.
One
parameter.
parameterized.
One parameterized constructor will be called। if I'm passing two values, then
Two parameterized.
Parameterized constructor.
two parameterized constructor। right? Two parameterized constructor. Now from here, where control will go?
Two parameterized constructor.
Two parameterized constructor.
Two parameterized. Control will go to the two parameterized. Now from the two parameterized constructor, I want to call one parameterized. So just write this keyword and pass one value.
One value.
It will call which constructor?
One parameterized.
One parameterized.
I have written this statement in three parameterized constructor.
3 में हो गया सर.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Let me pass one more value. Control will go to which constructor?
One
Three
parameterized.
Three parameterized.
Three
Three
parameterized.
parameters.
And from three parameterized, where control will go?
One parameterized.
One parameterized.
सर अगर वन पैरामीटराइज्ड कंस्ट्रक्टर दो होंगे फिर किसको कैसे कॉल करेंगे उसे?
कैसे वन पैरामीटराइज दो नहीं हो सकते ना, डुप्लीकेट नहीं लिख सकते. यू कांट राइट डुप्लीकेट कंस्ट्रक्टर.
ओके.
एक मिनट रुकना सब लोग, एक मिनट देना मेरे को. Right, from here control will go to which constructor? Control will go to which constructor?
Three parameterized.
Three.
And from three parameterized, I want to I am calling which constructor?
One parameterized. One parameter.
So output is one parameterized and three
One
parameterized.
parameterized and three parameterized.
हाँ जी, एक बार चैट में अपडेट करो सब लोग.
दीपक भाई एक क्वेश्चन था, ये आपका जो है इसे कंस्ट्रक्टर ओवरलोडिंग भी बोलते हैं ना ये
अभी ना पूछो यश भाई, बाकी लोगों के लिए कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगी. आगे की चीजें हैं, आगे डिस्कस करूंगा. डेफिनेटली इसको बोलते हैं, लेकिन अभी ये कंफ्यूजन कर देगा सबके लिए.
ओके थैंक यू.
ठीक है जी. यश कब है ज्वाइनिंग आपकी?
29 को दीपक भाई.
29. चलो जी, बहुत अच्छे. सो राइट नाउ, हाँ जी, किसी का कोई और डाउट? म्यूट कर लो प्लीज म्यूट रखो यार सब लोग. एक म्यूट कर लो यार, प्लीज म्यूट रखो यार. अनम्यूट ऐसे अनम्यूट ना करो यार, बिना किसी रीजन के अनम्यूट ना करो. There was another doubt in the assignment. Try to create the object of a class in the another class. Right? So here, let's suppose I have created a class 1, and in this class we have a method 1. I want to call this method. How I can call this method?
By
I can call this method by creating the object. So I can create the object within same class, in the different class, in the same package, or third one, in the different class, in the different package. Right, let me show. So as of now, I have created the object where I have created the object where I have created within same class.
Same class.
Now assignment number 2, For example, I have created another class, class2, and नहीं संजय भाई आवाज नहीं आ रही यार, संजय नहीं आ रही आवाज. Cut it. And now I'm going to create the object of this class1 where I'm going to create
Class
Different class.
in the
As a
different. I'm able to create, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So just one thing. Can we call it in class 1 and class 2 both?
Sorry.
क्लास 1 और क्लास 2 दोनों में कॉल कर सकते हैं इसको मेन मेथड के थ्रू.
Main method आप the class which you want to run, you will create the main method, right? जो भी क्लास को रन करना चाहते हो, because एक मिनट रुकना, because main method is the entry point of
मेथड
execution.
एग्जीक्यूशन.
Main method is the
एंट्री पॉइंट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन.
सर हम दोनों क्लास में मेन मेथड नहीं दे सकते?
ले सकते हो बट फायदा नहीं है ना. मैं वही कह रहा हूं, द क्लास विच यू वांट टू रन यू विल क्रिएट द मेन मेथड इन दैट क्लास, right? Now let me create another package. I'm going to create another package, package2. Drag and drop the class2 into package2. I'm able to create the object in class2, yes or no? In the
No.
another package we are able to create na.
Sir, import कराना पड़ेगा ना.
We have to import that particular package.
अभी drag and drop करा. You can do one thing. Let me show. अरे यार, let me delete it. I am going to create I have created another package, right? In this package I'm going to create a new class2. So can I create the object of class1 of package1 inside class2, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now let me create the main method. Can I create the object here of class1? Class1 obj is equal to new class1. It is giving error. Try to read the error, try to understand the error. What it is saying? Just click on the error. It is saying import class1 because class1 is a part of which package?
Package one.
Package 1. Package 1.
Package
1.
1. So just import here. Anji, we are able to create the object, yes or no?
Yes.
Pavan,
क्लियर.
right?
यही सर समझ नहीं आ रहा था.
Now
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
obj dot, now you can call the method one. That's it. Now guys, please give confirmation in the chat box. Mini, things are clear?
Yes, sir.
सर एक बार और बता दीजिए.
हाँ जी. Abhishek bhai, what we are trying to do, we are creating the object of class1 inside class2 where class2 is a part of another package. class2 दूसरे package का part है, class2 is a part of another package. Here we are creating the object of class1 and we are calling the method of class1 here. So we need to import because class2 is a part of package2 and class1 is a part of package1.
Okay sir.
Right?
Deepak sir, there is a question.
सर ये जो हमने मेथड के लिए किया है, कैन वी डू इट फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टर एज वेल?
Yes. For example, we have a class 1. Inside class 1, we have a constructor. Which type of constructor is this?
डिफॉल्ट.
Hello.
Anji.
नॉन प्राइस.
Default.
Now you can see when you are creating the object of class 1, which constructor will be called?
Default.
Default constructor will be called.
Got it.
Right? Now, guys, please mute yourself. Second use of this keyword. Achal, things are clear?
Yes, sir.
This keyword is used for calling from one method to
Another
another method. And you can write this keyword anywhere. In case of method calling, right? And you can write
more than one
more
this
than one this statement
inside a method.
inside a method. Let me show. For example, here we have created a class 1. Inside this class we have a method 1. I'm going to create another method here. Right? So how many methods I have created?
2.
I'm going to create one more. Right? How many methods I have created?
3 methods.
3 methods.
Right? Right? Now, I have created the main method. Inside main method, I'm going to create the object of which class?
Class 1.
Class 1 obj is equal to new class 1. Now, obj dot method 1. Which method will be called?
Method 1.
Method 1. From method 1, I want to call method 2. So what I will write? This dot method 2. It will call which method?
Method 2.
Both method 1 and method 2.
Firstly, which method will be called?
Method 2 first.
Either method 2.
You can see the output. Second method, then first method. Now, what will be the output? It will call which method?
Method 2.
What will be the output?
सर दिस कीवर्ड तो सिंगल टाइम यूज कर सकते हैं ना?
यहाँ पे रूल देखो.
We can write more than one this statement inside a method.
More than one this statement inside a method. Okay.
For a method calling, right? Clear, Prinka?
Sir, this method. Sorry, sir. एक चीज और. This method can statement also in case of method.
Sorry.
This keyword can also be used as a second statement instead of first statement in case of method.
Yes. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you where you want to write in the method. Guys, this concept is clear to everyone? See the output.
It is totally opposite of constructor.
Yes, exactly. Right? Pavan, things are clear? हाँ जी, एक बार सब लोग चैट में अपडेट कर दो. जॉय, थिंग्स आर क्लियर?
सर इसका आउटपुट एक बार ही दिखाओगे दोबारा?
हाँ जी दीपशिका, yes please. Output is I am class second method, then first method, then third method.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू।
सर मोर देन 2 क्लियर कर
Okay
सकते
जी.
हैं हम, मतलब राइट कर सकते हैं दिस कीवर्ड इन अ सिंगल मेथड?
Yes, first, second, more than one.
नहीं, एक और लिखना है अगर लिख सकते हैं।
आउटपुट दिखाइएगा।
So he is asking
हाँ,
like we can write, can we write this dot
let's
method to
suppose,
twice?
yes. Right. Second method, one method, third method, third method. Okay जी. Now, assignment on this. Output should be in the below sequence. Right? Output should be in the below sequence using this keyword. 3 parameterized method, default method, 1 parameterized method, 4 parameterized method, and 2 parameterized method. Can anyone please put the screenshot in the group? Can anyone please put the screenshot in the group? Right. Now, what do you mean by variable, Darpan?
Sir, variable is used to store value, or we can change it also.
Yes, which stores some value, and
And
value
value
can
can
be
be
Change.
changed.
changed. Value can be changed. Now, there are 2 type of the variables. How many type of variables we have, Meenakshi?
2 types.
2
Right.
types.
Sir, can you
Kunal,
repeat the question?
what do you mean by variable?
Sir, variable is a memory location whose value can be changed.
Yes. Now, how many type of variables we have, Kunal?
2 types.
2 types. First one is the,
Local variable,
and second one is the
instance variable.
Global variable.
Yeah,
global
global or
variable and
instance. Local variable.
global variable or local variable.
Local. Yeah.
Let me discuss about the global variable and local variable. Variables declared inside a class and outside a method. That is which type of variable?
Global variable.
Global variable. We can use the global variables in the whole
Entire class.
class. हाँ, ग्लोबल वेरिएबल वो होते हैं जो आपके क्लास के अंदर डिक्लेयर होते हैं और मेथड के बाहर डिक्लेयर होते हैं. लेट मी शो. फॉर एग्जांपल, इंट दीपक. Which type of variable is this?
Integer.
Integer and global.
Global or local?
Local.
Global.
ग्लोबल वेरिएबल ना. कौन से होते हैं ग्लोबल वेरिएबल? कौन से होते हैं?
Declared outside the
inside the class but outside the method. It is called global.
And that we can use where?
in the entire class.
In the entire class. अगर मैं यहाँ पे इसको यूज करने की, if I'm trying to use this variable, inside this method, it will work. Because which type of variable is this?
Global.
Global. Let me create one more method. Can I use this Deepak variable here also?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Because it is a global variable.
डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू 0 होता है ना.
कैलाश अभी लूंगा भाई, लूंगा. Deepak is equal to Deepak plus 1.
Sir, global and instance variable both are same?
Both are same. Both are same.
Okay.
Global variable and instance variable both are same. Now, can I use this Deepak variable in both the methods? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because which type of variable these are?
Global.
Right? Now, local variable. Variable declared inside a method.
Inside the method.
We call it local variable.
Local.
We can use these variables in that method only where we have
Declared it.
declared it. कौन से होते हैं local variable? अमन वर्मा,
Which is inside a method.
अमित खन्ना.
So what is the question?
Question is here. What is the local variable?
Local variable is declared inside the class and inside the method.
No.
Within the method, and the scope of the local variable is within the method only.
But
Yes.
it is also inside the class, na?
No. But we can use this variable in the method only where we have declared it. Right?
Yes.
For example, here we have M1 method. Here I have declared a variable Amit. Which type of variable is this?
Is a local variable.
Local variable.
Can I
Because it is
use this
declared
Amit?
inside the class
Can I use
method.
this?
No.
Can I
No.
use
No.
this
No.
Amit in the another
No.
method?
No.
No.
Why?
No.
Because
It has
It is
It's a
declared
within the
local
in
method
another
only.
method.
yes. Any doubt? Anyone?
Clear, sir.
Clear? एक बार सब लोग चैट में अपडेट करो प्लीज. पवन, थिंग्स आर क्लियर? बाकी लोग भी अपडेट करो प्लीज. अगर नहीं क्लियर तो पूछो. हाँ जी, बाकी लोग प्लीज. संदीप joined. Sandeep from Japan. Sandeep,
Yes,
on
I am
call?
very much here, sir.
Yes. Clear, Sandeep bhai?
Sort of.
बताना एक बार.
हाँ जी, चल भाई. Let me explain again. Global variable, the variable declared inside a class and outside, like inside a class, we can use this variable in the whole class. Local variable, the variable declared in a method, and we can use these variables in the method only where we have declared it. Now, third use of this keyword. Mahendra bhai, things are clear?
Sir, yes, sir, very much clear.
हाँ जी. Ritu, Ramna, things are clear to you?
Yes, sir. It is clear for me.
Third use of this keyword. Third use of this keyword. This keyword is used for differentiating the local
Local and global
variable
variable.
and global variable when the यार एक ना रिक्वेस्ट है सबसे यार प्लीज, अगर किसी को ना आगे की चीजें पता है तो प्लीज, अगर कोई रिवीजन करने आ रहा है तो प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट है, आगे का क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछने और आगे का एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना प्लीज, क्योंकि ना बाकी लोगों को ऐसे कंफ्यूजन होगी. मैं नहीं चाहता कि बाकी लोगों का लॉस हो. अगर आप रिवीजन करने आ रहे हो तो प्लीज इस चीज का टेक केयर करो यार, सबके लिए है प्लीज. अगर कोई रिवीजन कर रहा है, किसी के कंसेप्ट क्लियर अच्छे से, मैं नहीं चाहता बाकी लोगों के उसकी वजह से एक डिमोटिवेशन फील हो, क्योंकि आप लोग रिवीजन करने आ रहे हो तो आपको चीजें अच्छे से क्लियर है, तो प्लीज इस चीज का टेक केयर करो यार. right? हाँ जी. Third use of this keyword. This keyword is used for differentiating the local variable and global variable when the local variable and global variable names are
Same.
same. Names are same. हाँ जी. uh, हाँ जी, please let me ask Nitin Khatri, what is the use of this keyword? Third use.
Third use of this keyword is that when local and global variable are same, so this is the use of this keyword. We can use it.
For differentiating the local
Yeah.
variable and global variable. Paras, what is the third use of this keyword?
Sir, third use of this keyword is differentiating the local variable and global variable when their names are same.
बहुत अच्छे. Meera?
Yes, Deepak.
Yes, please. What is the third use of this keyword?
It is used to differentiate if the local and global variable have same name.
Yes, good one. Pritam, what are the use of this keyword? All the three use. Pritam? Shiv? What is the first use of this keyword?
This keyword, the first statement for like when we want to call one method from another.
Okay. Shrikant, आप बताओ भाई. What is the third? What is the first use of this keyword? What is the first use of this keyword? Shubham, Indore. Shubham. Siddharth. Siddharth.
जी सर.
What is the first use of this keyword?
सर फर्स्ट यूज तो यही होता है कि उसको वेरिएबल को डिक्लेयर करने के लिए जो सेम नेम के जो वेरिएबल होते हैं उनको डिक्लेयर करके दिस यूज किया जाता है.
नहीं. यश, ध्यान से सुनना. यश, can you please
हाँ जी
explain?
दीपक भाई.
We're calling
हाँ
to
जी,
हाँ
a
जी.
parameterized constructor into the code constructor, I think.
What is the first use of this keyword? Yes.
हाँ जी. And this keyword is used for calling one constructor to another.
बहुत अच्छे. Anirudh, what is the second use?
So for calling from one method to the another method. Or we can use this keyword multiple times in a method.
Good one.
Not like constructor की हम उसे पहली स्टेटमेंट हम उसको बना सकते हैं, यहाँ पर मल्टीपल टाइम्स बना सकते हैं.
बहुत अच्छे भाई. Kunal.
Third use is when the local variable and the global, to differentiate the local variable and the global variable when the names are same.
बहुत अच्छे भाई. To differentiate the local variable and global variable when the local variable and global variable names are same. Let me show the third use. Pavan, how many type of variables we have? Pavan?
Two types of variables, sir. Global and local.
First one is?
First one is
Yes.
local, sir.
Sandeep, what do you mean by global variable? Yeah. Sandeep, what do you mean by global variable? Shivangi?
So when it is called in the method,
inside
Global
the
variable.
method. Yes, sir.
Global.
Okay, sorry. It is called inside the class and outside the method.
The variables declared inside a class and outside a method. That is global variable, and we can use the global variables in the whole class. Abhishek Pal, local variables,
So local variables are declared inside a method.
and we can use
So only once method.
in the method where we have declared it.
Yes.
Let me create a method. So here I have created a method int Deepak. Deepak is which type of variable?
Local.
Global variable, sir.
Local variable.
Local variable.
But it is parameterized.
Yes. Divya, things are clear to you? Divya Kaushik?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here we have another variable int DC. DC is which type of variable?
Global.
DC is global variable.
Global. What I'm doing, DC is equal to Deepak. What I'm doing? I'm giving the to the
Assigning value to the DC.
Local and
Himanshu Jaira, things are clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
To the global variable, right? Darpan, what are the 4 pillars of a Java code?
सर पैकेज उसके बाद क्लास, फिर क्लास के अंदर मेथड्स एंड वेरिएबल्स.
First pillar is class creation. Second pillar
मेन मेथड.
बहुत अच्छे श्रीकांत भाई. Main method creation. Dipshika,
Object creation in the class.
inside main
And
method.
calling the variables and method.
Calling the
Variable and method with the reference of reference variable.
Using the reference variable.
And class contains variable plus
Method.
Constructor.
plus
Constructor.
now second pillar main method. Third pillar Mina.
There are object creation inside the class.
Object creation. Minakshi, what is the syntax of object creation?
So class name reference variable is equal to new class name.
बहुत अच्छे जी.
सर लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन था इसमें आपने जो इंट दीपक इसमें लिखा है एज अ पैरामीटर, ऐसे भी लोकल वेरिएबल लिखते हैं या अंदर ही लिखते हैं बॉडी में?
नहीं, जब आपका when you have a parameterized method, we have two type of methods. Remember, we have two type of methods.
Right.
First one is the default
and
method.
parameterized.
Second one is the parameterized method.
Mm-hmm.
Right? In case of parameterized method, the parameters or variable, we call it local variable.
Okay, sir.
Because we can use those variables in that method only.
Okay. I thought body के अंदर ही लिखना होता है, पर ऐसे भी लिख सकते
हैं. हाँ जी. Now, I'm calling method 1. Where this value will go?
To Deepak.
Good one. Where this value from Deepak to
DC.
DC is which type of variable?
Global variable.
So I'm calling this variable obj.dc. What will be the output?
122.
122. Right? Now, For example, here my local variable name is also DC. Will it work? What will be the output?
No.
0.
0.
सर तो सेम नाम देना ही क्यों, अलग अलग दे
हो
सकते
जाता है
हैं।
नहीं, रियल टाइम में हो जाता है. इन द रियल टाइम that kind of situation can be there when the local variable and global variable, both the variables name are same. That can be a situation, right? Now if you are printing DC value, if you are selecting left side DC, which DC is highlighting? Local or
Local.
global?
Local.
Local is highlighting, na? If I'm selecting right side DC, which DC is highlighting?
Global.
Local.
Again local, not global. It is not pointing to the global, na? If I'm selecting left side DC, again it is highlighting which one? DC, the local one. If I'm selecting right side DC, then
Again local.
Again local.
what is the problem here?
The compiler is confused whether
Good one.
it's
It is not able to differentiate the local variable and global variable when the
have same
variables
name.
names are
Same.
same. Now you
तो
can
सर it
see.
will be considering it as a local variable, उसको locally समझेगा.
Yes. What is the default value of global variable is
0.
0.
0. When you are calling obj.dc, what it will print?
0.
The value of global variable
That is default value is
0.
0. Now how we can differentiate? How we can differentiate?
Using this keyword.
Using this keyword. I'm writing this dot dc. Which dc is highlighting now? You can see
Global.
Global
Global one.
variable.
global one.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, yes. Sir.
If I'm selecting now
Local.
So can we use this keyword with the local variable?
no. Which dc is highlighting now?
The local
Variable.
Right. Now what will be the output?
122.
122. Right. This is inside sapient written paper. Sapient के written paper में ये question है. Right. Now let me discuss.
सर ये डिफरेंशिएशन दोबारा बता दो.
Anjanji, please. Let me explain again. Here I am calling method 1 and I am passing 122. Where this value will go? This value will go inside DC variable. Yes, 122. Now DC, this dot DC will point to global variable, global DC variable, and this is local variable. So what I'm doing, I'm passing the local variable value to the global variable when the local variable name and global variable name are same. Right? Any doubt? Anyone, please? Meena, things are clear now?
Yes sir. No, it's clear.
Now, one more topic. What is int?
Data type.
Integer.
So data
Int is a
type, integer.
data type.
It is
Data type. What is float?
float is
Data
also
type.
data type.
Data type.
Also a
Data
data
type.
type. Right? Int means which type
Integer.
of value?
integer value, positive and negative value.
Integer number.
Right? And float means
Decimal.
any
Decimal value.
Use number with decimal.
decimal value. Which one is bigger one?
Float.
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 Bigger in term of size. Float is bigger data type comparing to the int. Now, for example, we have a variable int a. Which type of variable is this? And scope, local or global?
Local.
Local, good one. Local variable. Now I have a float f and integer a value. What is the value of a?
12.
12.
Can I store f? Can I store a inside f? Can I
Yes.
give the value of a to f?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can a bigger box
Yes, sir.
store the smaller box? Can a
Yes.
bigger box store the small?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
What will be the value of f? What will be the value of f?
12.
12
12.
point
0.
12.0.
12.0, right? And if I'm printing the value of a, what will be the value of a?
12. 12. Just 12.
12.
There are two type of data type conversion. Data type conversion. First one is the implicit conversion and second one is the explicit conversion. Implicit conversion. Compiler is taking care of it. कौन take care करता है इसका?
Compiler.
Right? Here
Compiler.
we are trying to store a smaller value where? In the bigger variable.
Bigger.
Data type. Explicit conversion. That we have to do. Who will take care? Who will take care? We have to take care. When a smaller box try to store the bigger box. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, it is not possible. So we have to do what we have to do. We have to
Do it explicitly.
convert it.
Converted.
Let me show. For example, we have a float variable. Which type of variable is this?
Float.
Float. In case of float variable, we have to mention what we have to mention.
F.
F.
Now, int a. Can I store value of f inside a? Is it possible?
No.
No.
No, sir. No.
Why? Because f is a
Bigger.
Bigger data type and
and a is a
smaller data
Smaller
type.
data.
smaller data type. So what we have to do? We have to explicit convert. We have to convert f into.
Integer.
An integer.
So write in the bracket int. What it will do? It will convert f into
An integer.
integer. It will convert f value into integer and it will give to a.
A.
If you are printing value of a, what it will print?
12.
12. 12.
Yes.
12.
If I am printing value of f,
12.5.
12.5.
good one.
12.5.
Any doubt, anyone, please? Right. So I will keep till this point here. Right. We will discuss till here today. Today we will do till this topic. Right. Now, what is the assignment? Assignment is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. One more thing. Who will maintain the topic of this batch? Let me show a Excel file. Just a moment. Divya Koshi, can you do this thing?
Sure, sir.
Right. Let me show something. Right. We have to अनिरुद्ध कैलाश आप लोग उसका एपीएम का अलग से मेंटेन करना.
ठीक है सर.
So what we have to do, Divya, let me show. For example, we have to create a Excel file by this way, like serial number, date, topic, file name, right, and the link of the recording and link of the notes and the assignment, something like that.
Okay, sir.
Right, we will create by this way. Right, we are maintaining the Excel file in all the batches.
Okay.
हेलो
हाँ जी प्लीज.
सर एक बार रिपीट करेंगे असाइनमेंट क्या था?
असाइनमेंट
लेट ज्वाइन किया
क्या
था.
था? वी हैव टू लेट ज्वाइन करा था भाई. क्लास का टेक केयर करो यार बिल्कुल.
नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था थोड़ा.
चलो.
So someone has actually posted a screenshot
In the
for
group.
it in the WhatsApp group.
Assignment is here. Output should be in the below sequence using this keyword. 3 parameterized method, default method, 1 parameterized method, 4 parameterized and 2 parameterized. तो ये आउटपुट आना चाहिए आपका. ठीक है. तो ये
सर सेकंड की जो दिस का जो सेकंड सर आपने बताया है उससे
करना बिल्कुल सही. हाँ.
ठीक है. थैंक यू सर.
ठीक है. तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग में आप लोगों के अपलोड कर दूंगा अभी. और असाइनमेंट अपना फिनिश कर लेना यार. ठीक है. कुछ सपोर्ट चाहिए तो पिंग कर लेना प्लीज. इफ रिक्वायर एनी काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट तो पिंग कर लेना. ठीक है. तो इतना ही रख रहे हैं आज.
ये एक्सेल शेयर करोगे आप?
हाँ ये संजय भाई मैं ना संजय आप दिव्या एक बार क्रिएट करके उसको अपलोड कर देंगे यहीं पे आपके इसमें यहाँ पे. ठीक है ना. यहाँ मैं इनसे अपलोड करवा दूंगा. आपको मैं शेयर करूंगा टेम्पलेट. मैं आपको टेम्पलेट शेयर करूंगा. टेम्पलेट को शेयर करूंगा. उसके बाद आप उसमें चेंजेस करके और उसको अपलोड कर देना यहाँ पे.
ओके. ठीक है सर.
ठीक है जी.
हाँ जी.
मैं एक टेम्पलेट शेयर कर देता हूँ आपको. ये टेम्पलेट है. यही आपकी ईमेल आईडी शायद है ना, दिव्या कौशिक. हाँ जी. तो इसको आप रेफर करके और क्या करना मैं एक बार दिखा देता हूँ. फैब बैच में आप यहाँ पे न्यू गूगल शीट और उसके बाद क्रिएट एंड शेयर यहीं पे अपलोड कर देना बस. ठीक है जी.
सर जो व्हाट्सएप में जो लिंक दिया हुआ है, गूगल का जो लिंक दिया हुआ, बस उस पर क्लिक करके सारे वीडियोस है ना?
हाँ जी.
ठीक.
ठीक है. तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग में आप लोगों के अपलोड करता हूँ. मिलते हैं कल के सेशन में.
थैंक यू
Thank you,
सर.
sir.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू दीपक सर.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सर.
ओके जी. बाय बाय.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू
ओके जी.
सर.
बाय बाय.
बाय बाय. Bye, sir.